For spring?
Awesome!
Oh God, I have to stop, honestly. Welcome, lovelies. We have a very exciting segment. We got a small but a very powerful box here, and we're gonna see what's in it. Colleen, did you bring your? Yeah,
I got him.
Go to it.
Alrighty, watch your fingers. I don't want to cut them.
Did you see how she did this? This is our little MacGyver in the shop. She's our handy mandy, and this is her own box cutter. She's got her whole tool set and everything. If we need something in the wall or on the wall, we call Colleen.
Yep.
Awesome. Okay. Oh my.
Wow, look at all of these.
Oh, it's Socksmith, lady. It's the look.
Love those.
Isn't that
Those
adorable?
are so cute. I've never seen these before. They're the little Russian dolls that you've got. You know, the ones that fit inside of each other from big to small. So those are pretty cool. These are brand new. Never had these in the shop before.
No, and I love this color combination. And these are the little ankle socks. I wear them a lot, actually. Do you?
The ankle socks, yeah. Oh, yeah.
In the spring and like when it gets a little bit warmer. These are fantastic. And it's a beautiful fabric.
63 cotton, 34 nylon, and a little bit spandex. Per 5%.
Beautiful.
Okay. All right.
And what is this for cuteness?
Pandas.
Oh my!
Little panda bears.
I think we need the box cover. By the way, ladies, all this plastic is recyclable because it stretches.
Look at these ones, ladies. This color.
Ah ha ha! The tulips. We had these, and you lovelies loved them because we were sold out very quickly.
Yep.
So we ordered them in the different colors. Here, I like to show. I'm gonna spread them all out.
And then some. Look at these ones.
Oh,
Love these ones.
Love them. Your sunflowers.
I know.
We have a story about sunflowers.
Yes,
we tried to grow sunflowers from seeds last year. If you lovelies have any tips on that, because it bombed, the whole project bombed.
They died.
Nothing came out. Look at that.
And they got bees on them. Bees, if you please.
Oh, I love it. Love. What a cute colors.
Aren't they cute?
Yeah.
I love those.
Yeah, really nice.
They're so nice. And there's even more new ones. Oh, no, these are birds of paradise. And we had these too last year.
Did we?
Yeah, we did.
Really?
Different color. Yeah.
They must have sold quickly
sure
too,
did.
because
Yeah.
I never saw these.
Well, and they have the different color on the bottom of the foot.
Bottom. So cool. Wow.
This is new. Those ones.
Show, please. Oh my. Oh wow.
Lavender.
Oh,
Lavender, ladies.
so pretty. I can't wait for my lavender too.
I know. I love taking it and rubbing it in my hands and smelling like that. And Sailor Stripe restock, ladies.
Oh,
And
I
Sailor
have
Stripe.
this one
Yep.
with the blue and the
Yep.
red. Yeah. And they feel. You have to make it.
Yes, yes,
Don't
I
they
do.
feel awesome?
I love them.
Yeah.
Love my socks in this
Yeah.
box. And this print is new as well. They're owls.
Ah, cute. I love it. Great, meaty.
And then
That's
the black cat for all the cat lovers out there.
very nice. Very nice. Wow. It's exciting. You see what came out of this tiny little box? It's very exciting.
Oh, and just more Sailor Stripes. But that's it, ladies. The box is now empty.
I hope you are as excited as we are. Okay, lovelies, you know the drill. Keep on smiling.
Bye-bye, ladies.